The inner planet. I show is out of this world. The first stop is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet, with a diameter of only 3,032 miles at its equator, which is about 2/5 of Earth's. Mercury orbits the Sun once every 88 days, compared to Earth's 365.25 days. Mercury's time to rotate is over half of its orbit time of 58.6 days, or 1,406.4 hours. Mercury has no natural satellites or moons. The surface of Mercury consists of cratered terrains and smooth plains and many deep craters similar to those on the Moon. The craters formed when meteors or small comets crashed into the planet. The largest known crater is Caloris Basin, with a diameter of 800 miles. Like the other terrestrial planets, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Mercury is made mostly up of rock and metal. Mercury's surface appears to be much like that of the Moon. It reflects approximately 6% of the sunlight it receives, about the same as the Moon's surface reflects. Like the Moon, Mercury is covered with a thin layer of materials called silicates in the form of tiny particles. Mercury is a planet of extreme temperature variations. It is hotter on Venus, but with less fluctuations. The temperature on the planet may reach 450 degrees Celsius, 840 degrees Fahrenheit, during the day, but at night the temperature may drop as low as minus 170 degrees Celsius, or negative 275 degrees Fahrenheit. The sunlight on Mercury's surface is 6.5 times as intense as it is on Earth, due to its closeness to the Sun. Next stop, the planet Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is located between our Earth and Mercury. Venus is covered with thick clouds that create a greenhouse effect that makes it very hot, too hot for humans to live on it. The diameter of Venus is 7,456.45 miles. It is about 646.22 miles smaller in diameter than Earth. The temperature on Venus ranges from plus 900 degrees Fahrenheit to minus 500 degrees Fahrenheit at the surface. The atmosphere is carbon dioxide, 95%, nitrogen, sulfuric acid, and traces of other elements. Rotation time of Venus is 243 Earth days, or 1 Venusian day. 1 year on Venus is 225 Earth days. Venus's rotation is retrograde, or that opposite to that of Earth's. Third stop is our own Earth. The diameter of Earth is 7,917.5 miles. The atmosphere is composed of 78.084% nitrogen, 20.946% oxygen. The other small parts include argon, carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen, methane. The temperature of Earth is a range of the highest temperature, 134.06 Fahrenheit, and the lowest, negative 128.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Earth is one of the youngest planets at little more than 4.5 billion years old. We will do the last after the break.
You're about to be mesmerized. It's yellow. It's phallic. It's a magical gravity sensation that's sweeping the nation. It's Banshee!
The last planet is Mars. Mars has a diameter of 4,223 miles. The atmosphere is mainly comprised of only carbon dioxide. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. The rotation period is 24 hours and 36 minutes. The temperature range on Mars is negative 220 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The length of 1 year is about 1 Earth year and 10.5 months. See you next time on The Inner Planets.
Oh my God.